Hi, I'm Jonathan Clark, also known as Scooter, and I'm here today to quickly introduce you to a book called Step by Step, A Tree Planter's Handbook. Now, to be honest, it's not really a handbook anymore. It's more like a fat stack of facts, everything from camelbacks to tamaracks, everything from lumberjacks to bivouac. If you're looking for information about tree planting, this book has it all. So let's take a quick look at what's inside. Why do we plant trees? Health. Working safely and hazards, vehicles and transportation, camp life and other lodging, map reading, nature and the environment, basic silviculture knowledge, stock handling, common coniferous trees, prescriptions and planning, planting equipment, camping gear and clothing, planting a seedling, meeting quality requirements, density and excess, site preparation, additional planting techniques, maximizing productivity, planting throughout Canada, applying for a job, working with helicopters, coastal planting, logging and harvesting, other silviculture work. And there's more. The few hundred pages that you just saw represent only a bit more than a third of the full book. To order a copy today, search for it on Amazon or visit replant.ca/step-by-step.